All right, so this is the Elgato Stream Deck Mini, and just want to kind of show you what it looks like out of the box. It is super plug and play. I mean, the cable is already connected to it, so it's really nice and easy to use. You plug it in via USB on your computer, and if you don't know much about Stream Decks, this might be a good start for you because you can just see what it does as a mini controller. So I'm going to like add some things in here so you can kind of see like that fast. I'm just like clicking and dragging from the software that's off screen, and you can see that it's adding a bunch of different stuff. Even with like for like live streaming, you have your nano leaves and you can add them onto that. There's so many that you can do, like, and you can download like almost everything you can do almost everything with this thing. It's great. And then yeah, 6 buttons might not be a lot for you, but you can add folders, and then within that folder you can have either more folders or buttons for that. So you can really do a lot with just the 6 buttons. It's a great start, just because it's not too, like, maybe, you know, some of the other ones might be a little bit overwhelming for you, but this is a great start. And just the 6 buttons, I mean, you can do a lot. You can switch camera angles, you can you know, play background videos and things like that, queue up stuff if you need to. You can be editing videos with it. It's just overall a great little thing that can sit on your desk and look really fancy. So I highly recommend this, and thanks for watching.